Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a wash and go using the Curls Caviar and Cashmere line. You guys know I love that stuff. Here is my hair, y'all. It has grown so much, or at least I feel like it's grown. It's in a stretched out state. I just took my sew-in down. I had that in for about 3 weeks, but I've recently been cleared to get in the pool. Time for me to utilize some easy access styles since I'll have to be washing my hair quite often. The shrinkage is real. So I've just shampooed my hair, deep conditioned with the Cashmere and Caviar line from Curls. So I'm gonna start off with the hair silk. I sat with the conditioner for about 10 minutes under a heated dryer, and then I rinsed, and here we are styling. I love this because it's moisturizing, very, very moisturizing. So for me, the keys to my wash and go is soaking wet hair. So after I rinse out my conditioner, I don't even touch my hair. I don't use a t-shirt, I don't use towel. My hair is soaking wet. If you can't tell, it looks kind of gross because there's water running down my face, down my chest. I do this so that the product, for whatever reason, it just reacts better with my hair and it slips better through my strands as well as spreads more evenly. And then from here, I'm gonna section off and go in with the hair jelly section by section. Pay attention, I'm not using any tools. I'm only using my fingers. So I do this to not disturb my curl pattern too much, but also I'm detangling at the same time, which was fairly easy. Again, making sure that my hair is soaking wet and spreading the product evenly through. I know you've heard this before. I don't know why it's called a wash and go, because it's a lot of work, or not a lot of work. I would say just as much work as doing a twist out, because you are taking the time to go section by section and make sure each strand is coiled. This is the fun part. It gets a little messy, but I don't know. I just feel like it does something to my curls. It separates and clumps properly by doing it that way. So lastly, I'm finishing off my look with my lashes. These are golden spikes from the 400 meter Diva collection. If you have not already tried them, you should get you a pair. They're 100% Siberian mink, and they are meant to be worn up to 25 times. So I literally think this might be the 16th time that I've worn this pair, and look at how sturdy they still are. So yeah, get you a pair. Head over to natashahastings.com and check them out. We got 6 different styles, so there's something there for everyone. And again, these are golden spikes. Lastly, it is important to fluff with your afro pick. Again, emphasizing what shape it is that you want. I wanted some height at the top, so I only picked the top. I didn't really pick the sides and the back out, hence me slicking back the sides. And then I go in and clean up my sides. I'm running out of my Blueberry Bliss Edge Tamer there. Sleek, finished look here. I'm really happy with the end results. My hair felt nice and soft, nice and moisturized. And again, this is easy peasy with me training and being in and out of the pool. This style took me all of 15-20 minutes post shower. So again, it's something that's great for me to do with my current training routine in the pool, but it's also cute. So anyway, hope you enjoyed, and leave your comments down below, and I will see you guys next time. Peace. You can find the Curls, Cashmere, and Caviar collection at your local Target.